uh, and that's scary. So I'm hoping I get like confidence to play it soon, or maybe I don't know, a person. That would be neat. No, Xbox Game Pass is on PC too.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't have an Xbox.
I mean, we have all that.
The hell just happened?
I think you know.
Why?
I
Why?
bumped.
I'm pretty sure she's laughing so hard she broke her mic.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Okay, I was replying to a message on my phone, and I went to put my phone down, and I somehow dropped it onto the mouse as I was putting my hand down on the mouse. So I just shot the ground right next to us both.
I
Sorry.
have 50 health.
Yeah, you took
Need a
the
med kit if you see one.
you took the you definitely took the brunt of it. I lost 50 health, and then I saw you were at it.
Like, tell me you were recording it.
Yes.
Okay.
Health in this tower.
Hey.
You know that guy on the bottom was okay.
Where?
He's out. No, he's out. He went out the door. He went out the door.
Got
Hit
her.
her.
Got her.
Good dumb.
Who just healed?
They rezzed him.
Got him.
Kill.
We have
One on the
necro.
roof. One on the roof.
I'm coughing it out. Got her up again. No, it was him. I didn't even know where he was. I never heard him move over there. He was on my right. Did they get her up again? Yeah, they did.
Got her.